Okay, I'm going to show you how to view your past events that you have had on your calendar. The reason why I'm doing this because I wanted to see all my events that I have for the year, because we got a food truck business called J. Harvey's Grill, and we just want to go back and see how many we did for the year. And I label them as approved so I can see which ones I've done. But I noticed that when I clicked on the calendar and I hit the calendar, it only went back until March the 2nd. So I noticed that it didn't show anything over a month, past a month. So let me show you how to fix that. Only thing you have to do is go to settings, and under settings, go down to calendars, click on calendar, and right here where it says sync, click sync. You notice that it's set for events 1 month back. So anything past a month back, you cannot see it. So the only thing you have to do is click all events. And now your calendar is going to sync. It may take about 5 or 10 minutes for this to happen, but it will do. So next time when you click on calendar, as you see, it's still showing March the 2nd, but it's going to show everything that I have done in the past. So that's how you sync all your events. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day.